Hello guys, in this experiment we are going to learn about the DHCP server and how we will apply dynamically the IP addresses for our network, and in this we are going to use the subnet for different network addresses. So we are going to use the IP address 198.20.20.0/24, and we are going to divide it into three networks, one for this network, one for this, and one for between the three routers. So here in this network we have approximately like 10 to 9 PCs. So we are going to divide it into 2 power 4, that is 16. So we can assign max 16 IPs. So it will be given a subnet of /28. So we can see that it's given a subnet of 28. In this network we have a PCs from 12 to 15. So we are going to divide it into 2 power 5, so that even in case there are more PCs, so we can increase it. So we have a space for 32 IP addresses, so for more than 16 is sustainable. So we are going to give it a subnet of /27, since we are using 2 or 5 bits for host. And for this network, since every router network between the two routers is going to require max of two IP addresses, and for that we are going to take only 2 bits for host address. So we are dividing it into /30 network. So in this network, since we are giving IP address to each, so for this network the first IP address is given to the router, the second is given to the switch, and the third is given to the DHCP server. Similarly, for this network, the first is given to the router, second is given to the switch, and third is given to the server. As we are using the subnet protocol, the routers are the connections between the routers is serial connection, and we are using the switch 296024TT and server PT, which is used for DHCP server. So the first network we have given a subnet of /28. So we have divided the 198.20.20.24/24 into 2 parts. The first 16 bits are given to the router are given for the network between the router, and the next 16 bits are given a subnet of /28 for the first network. So the routers are given a subnet of /30. So we are giving here from 190. For in this network we are giving it from 198.20.20.0 to 198.20.20.3. The first and last bit are reserved, so first and last IP address are reserved. So we are going to assign the second and third one. So we can see that the second one is here and the third one is here. Similarly, we have done for this network. Now we are going to do the configurations for IP address configuration for this. Since the first, second, and third IP address for this network are already assigned, for next PCs to be given IP addresses, we are using DHCP server, which will assign IP addresses using the DNS server. So we will look into that. So here on clicking in DHCP server on services in the DHCP, here we can see that start IP, the default gateway is the gateway for the router, which is shown here 198.20.20.17, and that's the default gateway. The start IP address is 198.20.20.16. Since the first bit is reserved, from second we are using it for 17, and we already know that there's a max of 11 users, so we have assigned a max number of 11. So we need to save this configuration. Similarly, we are doing it in the second router. Here in the DHCP, the default gateway is given for the nearest router the network is connected, that is 198.20.20.33, which is assigned here, and 198.20.20.32 is the first IP address, and from the second IP address it is given to the network. So the second IP address right here, third and the fourth, and the rest IP addresses are assigned to the PC dynamically. So here the subnet mask is 255.255/224, which gives 227 bits for which gives 27 bits for network. And since we already know that somewhere around we are going to use like max 27 users I have assigned in for maximum 27 number of users. So now what we are going to do is transfer or send a packet from PC0 to PC22. So the IP address of PC0 is 198.20.20.21 and that of PC22 is 198.20.20.36. So we ping the packet from ping 198.20.20.36. So here we can see that packets are being sent successfully. 4 packets are sent and 4 packets are received. So in this we are the configuration done for the router are we have done using IP route, in which the first part is given for the destination network and destination subnet, and the third is given for the next router the packet should pop. So using all this configuration, we have successfully implemented a DHCP server controlled IP protocols given to the PCs in each network, and we have successfully sent a packet from PC0 to PC22. Thank you.